In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zoho CRM support. Navigating customer support can sometimes be a bit daunting, especially when you need assistance with a particular tool that's crucial for your operations. Thankfully, Zoho CRM offers a streamlined process to help you get the support you need quickly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with a general question or a more complex issue with Zoho CRM, the steps I'm about to share will ensure you know exactly where to reach out for help. For general CRM issues, the most straightforward and perhaps the most efficient way to get in touch with Zoho CRM support is through email. Simply compose an email detailing your issue or question and send it to support@zohocrem.com. Now, when writing your email, it's important to be as detailed as possible about the issue you're encountering. Make sure to include any relevant screenshots or error messages that could provide additional context to your inquiry. The more information you can give, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you swiftly. On the other hand, if you are a user of Zoho CRM Plus, you have a specific support channel available to you. This is particularly useful because it ensures your query is directed to the most appropriate team that's familiar with the additional features and intricacies of Zoho CRM Plus. For issues or questions specific to Zoho CRM Plus, you'd reach out to support@zohocrmplus.com. Again, remember to include as much detail as possible in your email to facilitate a smooth resolution process. While crafting your email, it's also beneficial to mention any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. This not only helps expedite the problem-solving process, but also prevents you from being asked to try solutions you've already attempted. After sending your email, you should expect a response from the support team. While response times can vary, having provided a thorough explanation of your issue could help ensure they are able to address your needs without unnecessary back-and-forth communication. In summary, when you need to contact Zoho CRM support, your best approach is via email, addressing your inquiries to support@zohocrm.com for general issues or support@zohocrmplus.com if you have queries related to Zoho CRM Plus. By clearly articulating the problem, including all necessary details, and outlining any prior attempts at resolution, you can help the support team address your concerns more rapidly and effectively. Good luck, and I hope this walkthrough helps you get the assistance you need from Zoho CRM.